Imagine the allure of Italy, a country where the past and present merge in perfect harmony. Italy brims with rich culture, deep-rooted history, and mouth-watering culinary delights. Picture the Colosseum, the Leaning Tower of Pisa, the romantic canals of Venice. Now let's dive into some personal anecdotes about what was useful during a trip to this enchanting country. When packing for Italy, remember it's all about the 3 Cs: comfort, class, and climate. You'll be doing a lot of walking to soak in the picturesque Italian cities, so comfortable footwear is a must. Yet don't forget the Italians' flair for fashion. Pack some chic outfits to blend in with the stylish locals. And lastly, Italy's climate can vary greatly, from sunny beaches to snowy Alps, so ensure your clothes can adapt. Packing smart ensures a stress-free and enjoyable Italian adventure. Experiencing Italy goes beyond seeing its beautiful landmarks. It's about immersing oneself in its way of life. I remember learning to say buongiorno, savoring fresh pasta in a local trattoria, and truly understanding la dolce vita. Embrace the Italian lifestyle and you'll find Italy embracing you back. If you want more travel insights and tips like these, don't hesitate to show your support. Like this video, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button. Remember, every like, share, and subscribe fuels our journey to bring you the world's best travel tips. So hop on board and let's explore the world together.